What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have vz102178. This is our vicrez rear wing spoiler, and it's our Hellcat SRT style spoiler, and it's for the Dodge Charger fitting 2011 to 2023 models. Now let's go ahead and open this up and show you everything it comes with and what it looks like. Now of course we have the spoiler. And it's in our matte black color. And on the back here, you can go ahead and see we already have some mounting points pre-drilled and pre-pushed in with the nut in place. Now we can see the contour and the edges of the spoiler, this is a pretty sleek one. It's not super aggressive. Honestly, I feel like it's just right. And then inside the box, we should have some 3M tape as well as hardware screws for install. Now, we recommend you run 3M tape all around the edges of where you're gonna end up putting your screws to prevent any weather from seeping into your trunk itself. And then we recommend whenever you install your screws to just go ahead and add a little bit of silicone to them just to make sure no weather seeps in at all. Now that's it for 2178. If you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button, and maybe give us a like, and definitely hit that notification bell if you want to get notified whenever we post more videos just like this one.